Hey, so let's say you're driving your brand new Outlander and you got a flat tire. So what do? First of all, does this vehicle even have a spare tire? The answer is no. Let's have a look why. It is a 7-passenger, so there's physically no room for the spare tire because typically it's either underneath here or somewhere underneath here. So because you have a third row seat, physically there's no spot for the spare tire. Now, if you do get a flat tire, there's a couple of things you can do. So number one, you can call Roadside Assistance. Let's find out where the number for that is. Typically, it's in the owner's manual. So you take your owner's manual, which your dealership should put in the glove box. Depending on the market, it could be located in different locations, but in this case, it's under a warranty and maintenance manual, and it's actually on the 15th page. So you have the Roadside Assistance number. You can call them, they can send a truck your way, and they'll help you out to replace the tire. So if you don't have the Roadside Assistance number, or you're at a bad reception spot, or you don't want to call for some reason, you have to use the tire repair kit, which is underneath here. So let's have a look how to get it and what to do with it. So the first thing you want to do for convenience purposes, you want to just fold the third row seat down flat. Now to access it even better and easier, you want to shift the second row a little bit forward. Both sides. Okay, once that is done, let's lift the cover here and let's take this plastic out. Pull these straps here and lift it up like this. So now you can access this sealant here and the compressor. Okay, so once we unpack it, it's actually quite easy. First of all, what you want to do is you put this one on the tire, and this here you connect it with compressor with this cord here. Once that is done, you plug it in, the compressor, in one of the power outlets. One of them is right here in the back, and the other one is in the front, right by the shifter there. So essentially the entire operation looks like this. So it's plugged in here through the sealant. Now only thing we would need to do is turn it on and pump the air inside of the tire. So the power is plugged in here. We're all ready to go.